MarineMap is capable of providing in-depth spatial reporting for user-created shapes. For the MLPA initiative, this involves users meeting strict scientific guidelines outlined by a science advisory team. MarineMap helps users understand how their MPAs and MPA arrays are meeting those guidelines. The habitat representation reports display each of the potential habitats that may be captured by an MPA, how much of that habitat has actually been captured, and what percentage of the total available habitat in the study region has been captured. These data are displayed as either square or linear miles, depending on the habitat being measured. MarineMap also allows stakeholders to explore the potential socioeconomic impacts of MPAs. EcoTrust has gathered and processed fisheries information, which MarineMap can display and use to calculate and return to authorized users a socioeconomic impact analysis. In one scenario, a user might want to minimize impacts to the recreational Dungeness crab fishery based out of Eureka, California. By turning on that data layer, and then looking at the impact analysis of our MPA, we can see here exactly how much of the recreational Dungeness crab fishery would be impacted by this MPA design. MPA arrays are collections of MPAs that form a network. MarineMap makes it easy to create MPA arrays, write a description for the array, attach any supporting information that might be needed, and then add MPAs to an array for array-level analysis. Adding MPAs to an array is as simple as dragging and dropping. To access an array's attributes, simply click on the array name to view general information about the array. This information includes a summary of the MPAs contained in the array, broken down by MPA designation and by level of protection. Additionally, MarineMap displays habitat replication statistics for each level of protection in the array, and lets users know if they have met the scientific guidelines for replication of each habitat. MarineMap makes it easy for users to share both MPAs and MPA arrays. Through a group sharing system, registered users can be assigned to any number of groups and can both view and copy any MPAs or MPA arrays that have been shared with those groups that they belong to. To share an MPA or MPA array, simply click on the name of the shape that you would like to share, and then on the Share button. Presented on the sidebar will be a list of groups that you currently belong to. Clicking the checkbox next to the group name will share the selected MPA or MPA array with that group. If you are unsure about which group to share with, clicking the Show Members button will list all of the users who belong to that group. To view and copy an MPA or MPA array that has been shared with you, start by clicking the Shared with Me tab. Click the group name, the username, and then the shape that you would like to view or copy. Clicking on the name of the shape will display it, and clicking Copy will append the word copy to the name and replicate that shape to your account, where you can edit and make changes, run reports, and then reshare if you choose. MarineMap makes extracting shapes easy. By clicking on the name of the shape that you would like to take to another piece of software, and then on Export, users can choose to save an MPA or MPA array as a KMZ to be viewed in Google Earth, as a shapefile for use in ArcGIS, QGIS, or another GIS application, or as a simple PNG for quick reference.